I'm installing two different units from Azatrax.com. One unit will handle the two-way traffic on the freight line, as shown in the top diagram, and the TS2D operates two tracks, one in each direction, on a double line. And so it takes two units, one for the two tracks that are the express, and a different unit for the freight line. The freight line uses a TS2. Two express lines require a TS2-D. I guess the D is for double track. I'm going to use the reflective method where I mount the sensors under the track and the beam bounces off the bottom of the rolling stock. This is the way the sensors arrive for this particular kit. You just unwind the wires and the tube. If you have foam, you can drill and then put that tubing down into the hole and run the wire through that and make it a little easier. Otherwise, you can just drill it if you're in plywood and insert the wire down and then the tube down, and it looks like that when you've completed it. Now, I will go over that and paint fresh paint on to match the rest of it where I've knocked the paint off. Actually, it was probably glue that got painted so that the color will match. The only thing you'll see is the little right around where I've drilled and the sensor is. You'll see the shiny sensor head there. Otherwise, it's pretty much invisible. Very hard to spot. Just a quick look at the instructions, a description of how it works, how to use it, and then it gets into the installation, how to set up the sender and receiver units, and how to wire them to the unit in various ways. Very clear, very easy to understand. It's 6 pages, and troubleshooting goes into troubleshooting and setting up the jumpers if you need them. In my case, I didn't need to do anything with this is written for east versus west, and I'm up and down. These can be linked to up and downstream, other up and downstream signals. In fact, I've ordered more of these because I'm going to replace some of my MRD-Vs. The V stands for variable. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up. If you're new, please subscribe. Most of the people that see my videos are unsubscribed. So if you liked it, why don't you subscribe? Click the subscribe button and hit the little bell so you'll get links to all of my videos. This is just for the freight line. Okay, here goes. I'm going to hook it up. Here comes our train. Okay, well, I would say it works. We'll let that time out, and then we'll go around the other side and test it. I am curious exactly how long these are going to be set for. Yeah, 27 seconds. Well, that's a little over 25, but I'm not going to quibble. That's good. That's good. Yep. Okay, let's go test the other side, see if it works. Be right back. I'll move you. Okay, let's test this side. It's on green. That's good. It should be. push the car, push the wagon over the sensor, over the other sensor. It went to red. Yep. I asked for 25 seconds. I think they're 27, running 27, which is fine. That's fine. It takes 2 minutes to run the entire layout. So, well, it depends on how fast you're going. When I'm running that HST and playing with it to see how fast it'll go, it don't take no time at all. But yeah, I'd say we've got it. I'm gonna clean up here. I'm not gonna do the other one probably till tomorrow. There it is. The one on the left is the down freight, testing the down main. This one. And there you have it. What you see displayed up here on the screen is my CCTV system. I can't see under the tunnel very well, so this camera and that one up there show the inside the tunnel. The one up on the top left, well, that's just going over the bridge around the back. I can't really see that very well without going over there and looking. So, you know, that's kind of nice to be able to see that too. Looks cool when trains were running too. Well, this is a new system. My old system quit working during the in-scale project period. And I replaced it with this new one, which cost a little bit less than the old one. It comes with 4 cameras. I think I'm going to put this camera over on Howe Street. It'll be ugly, but you know, maybe I can figure out how to disguise it with a tree or something. I don't know. But anyway, I'm going to put it over there for a while and see what I think. But the other thing you can do is you can, besides the multi-screen, you can select single screen, And you can choose what camera you want. It'll take up to 8 cameras. So if I want to see one, there it is. It's pretty high def. It's supposed to be 1080p. I don't think it is quite. Certainly not on those dark scenes underneath in the tunnel. But yeah, pretty cool. So I have my CCTV system back. Okay, well, that's it for today. Bye for now. Boy, my voice is really a mess this morning. Bye-bye. See you soon. Look forward to seeing your comments.